shoulders. Good. A little more there, a little more. Good. You relax into that. Relax into it a little more. Good job, beautiful.